Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I will show you how to withdraw money from Binance to your bank account easily. Follow this step-by-step instruction to make sure your transfer is smooth and secure. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Binance app or website and log into your account. Step 2. Tap on Wallet, then select Withdraw. Choose the currency you want to withdraw. This can be crypto or fiat money. If withdrawing fiat money, select the bank transfer option. Binance support different methods like SWIFT, SEPA, or local bank transfer depending on your country. Step 4. Once you already select the bank, then input the amount you want to withdraw. Double-check all details and confirm the withdrawal. Once confirmed, the withdrawal will be processed. And that's it. You successfully transfer money from Binance to your bank account. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more step-by-step guides. See you next time!